実際に動かしてみます。ターミナルを開いて、ボタンのやつだってみようかな。ボタンのやつをコピーして、ちょいちょい実行すると、もう始まったんか。ハロ
ー。Who are you asking about?
Good morning.
Hi. The time is 3:42 p.m. It's currently 52 degrees and clear in Meguro. Today, it'll be clear with clouds from time to time, with a high of 55 degrees and a low of 30 degrees. By the way, it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. MLK believed African Americans should inspire their community. He convinced Star Trek actress Nichelle Nichols to stay on the show in the 1960s because he felt her role showed that black women were capable of anything. African Americans continue to break barriers, boldly going where they haven't gone before, and encouraging others to follow in their paths. Happy birthday, Martin Luther King Jr. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. ここにマイクの穴があります。これがボタン。こんな感じですかね。今回は、電源にバッテリーを使ってます。で HDMI モニターにつないで開発してみました。以上です。